Welcome back, VA users. In today's session, we are going to see how to set up the jobs. Okay. When I would say job, it is also known as processes. Now, there are the cases when you want to execute some processes automatically. Instead, that these processes would be triggered by the users manually. So, to handle such a situation into the VA system, there is a job run schedule configuration is there where you would be able to configure certain jobs or the processes that would be triggered by the vServer. Instead, the user will trigger them manually. Now, there are cases, let's say you have set up the recurring and you want that the recurring process automatically triggered by the system, and the recurring rule, whatever the setup you did, generates those invoices, payments, or the vouchers automatically at the end of the month. So that is one of the example. Similarly, in terms of the HR and payroll system, you want that the system will get the information from the biometric machine, and it will push that particular data at the end of each day or each week into the VA system. So such a kind of situations used to come when you want to schedule certain jobs or the processes that would be triggered by the vServer instead of triggering such processes or jobs manually. Okay, so how we can set up all these, we are going to learn this in today's video. Right now I'm at my landing page, and here from the menu you just need to search. So it is the super user, so you just need to move on to the relevant one. So it is the IDS Sync admin, and you just need to search job auto run config. Okay, so here at the level of the job auto run config, as I have given you the example, so you would be able to see that there is a recurring scheduler is binded already. So to create, you have created a certain process during the implementation that you want to run automatically, or there might be other processes that are built in into the software, and that one of the process or the job is recurring schedule. So how you want, you need to set up this, you just need to say, give the name, select the relevant job that you want to execute from the by the vServer, and then you just need to select your schedule. Let's say I just want that the costing calculation process would run, so I would select my schedule, then I just need to select my scheduler. So that is how you would be able to set up your process at this particular place. If the process contains certain parameters, then you just need to move on here, and you would be able to see all those parameters at this particular section. Since this process which is scheduled here, the job recurring scheduler, doesn't have any parameter, in case if there is any parameter, then you would be able to select those parameter and set the default parameter values as well. Okay, apart from that, you would be able to set up that who is going to be the recipients. So you would be able to define the users or the roles at this particular level, and the log is a system maintain tab, and whatever you have defined as a days to keep the log, you would be able to see all those logs here, and after 7 days the logs are getting deleted. Okay, so that is how you would be able to set the job auto run config. Once all this set it up, thereafter you just need to move on at the super user, you need to run your vServer, and at this place you just need to select the scheduler apart from others as well, and you would be able to run. So once that the vServer is running at the background, the vServer based on to the schedule defined at the level of the job auto config, the system will execute this processes accordingly. And that is how you would be able to schedule a certain job using the job auto run config. If you find out that this video is interesting and you would be able to define your schedules or the job auto run config, then I would request you to subscribe our channel and also recommend our channel to your colleagues and share this knowledge with your colleagues as well. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye bye. See you into the next video.